والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. Honorable Chairman of today's ceremony, my respected teacher, dear classmates, friends, please accept my sincere congratulations at the beginning of the speech. Honorable presence, I will try to briefly highlight to the ideals of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in the present context. Dear present, our beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the greatest great prophet of all time. His entire life is the only ideal for all of us. Family and social life, then our present, welfare and hereafter. Salvation will definitely come, the golden era of peace, prosperity, progress, and will return everywhere in the society. Finally, I ended my short speech here with the hope of everyone's good health, happiness, and living inspired by the ideals of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Allah, peace be in Islam.